Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google email account. Now let's get started. First, open your Gmail apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the top, and then click on add another account. And after this, in here you just click on the Google. Okay, you can waiting. Okay, and after this, in here you're just click on the create account and click for myself, or you can manage to my business, but in here I want to try to add for myself. And in here you can add the first name, maybe on Coco, and the last name this tuna. Tuna. And after this, in here you just click on the next at the bottom. Okay, and after this, in here you can add the day or add the birthday and a gender. Okay, I want to try to add this one. Okay, and in here you can choose your gender. This female. And after this, in here you just click on the next at the bottom. Okay, and in here you can choose your Gmail address. This is a coco29@gmail.com or tunacoco989@gmail.com. But in here I wanna try to this one, coco29@gmail.com. So you just click on it, or you can click on the next at the bottom. And now in here you can add the password like this. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the next at the bottom. Okay, and here you just click on the skip, or you can click on the yes I'm in, but in here I wanna skip, so you just click on the skip and click on the next, this one. Okay, and here you can click on I agree at the bottom. Okay, can waiting until the process has been finished. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, and finish. So that's how to create a Google email account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.